What if passing GCSE Maths is not about being clever, but about not losing marks? Most students don't fail. They drop below a grade 4 because of the same simple mistakes. Miss a step, that's 1 mark gone. Misread the question, another mark. No working, easy marks lost. That's the difference between a fail and a pass. I'm Mrs. Brown, a teacher with over 35 years of experience, including 6 years teaching math in the UK secondary schools. On this channel, I show you exactly how to secure marks step by step, what to write, what examiners expect, and how to get that grade 4 or 5. If you want to pass GCSE Maths, start here.